Luxury cars are fascinating machines that combine cutting-edge technology, unparalleled performance, and exquisite craftsmanship, but owning one comes with a significant financial commitment beyond the initial purchase price, primarily because of the high maintenance costs, which can bewilder even the most experienced car enthusiasts. One of the primary reasons for these elevated costs is the sheer complexity and sophistication of luxury vehicles, which often incorporate advanced engineering and bespoke components not found in standard cars, from precision-tuned engines to sophisticated suspension systems, high-performance braking components, and complex electronic systems that require specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to service, making even routine maintenance more expensive and time-consuming. And while a regular economy car might rely on widely available parts and standard procedures, a luxury car's bespoke parts, often handcrafted or imported from specialized suppliers, can cost exponentially more, and the rarity of some components means that replacement parts might take weeks or months to source, increasing both labor costs and the risk of temporary vehicle downtime. Additionally, luxury vehicles frequently utilize cutting-edge technology that, while enhancing performance and comfort, also adds layers of complexity. For example, adaptive air suspension systems, active aerodynamics, and advanced driver assistance features must be calibrated by highly trained technicians, often at certified dealerships that charge premium labor rates. And while some luxury car owners might attempt third-party maintenance to cut costs, the delicate engineering and proprietary software often make this impractical or even risky, potentially voiding warranties and causing further expenses down the line. And speaking of warranties, while luxury manufacturers typically offer comprehensive coverage, the end of a warranty period often coincides with the need for high-cost maintenance, as luxury cars are engineered to operate at peak performance, which leads to faster wear on specialized components like carbon ceramic brakes, multi-piece alloy wheels, and performance tires, which all have higher replacement costs compared to mass-market alternatives. Another contributing factor is the performance-oriented nature of many luxury cars, which, while providing exhilarating driving experiences, puts additional stress on engines, transmissions, and drivetrains, resulting in more frequent maintenance intervals and specialized servicing requirements. And the high-pressure braking systems, advanced cooling technologies, and turbocharged or supercharged engines found in luxury models all require precise maintenance to avoid catastrophic failure, which again adds to both the labor and parts expenses. And while conventional cars can often be serviced at local mechanics, luxury vehicles frequently necessitate factory-trained technicians who understand the intricate engineering, meaning labor rates can easily reach several $100s per hour, and some even require multiple hours for what would be minor services on an economy vehicle, compounding the cost. Furthermore, aesthetics play a significant role in maintenance expenses, as luxury cars are not just about performance but also about image and maintaining the flawless appearance of a luxury vehicle. Whether it's keeping paintwork pristine with specialized coatings, regularly servicing high-end leather interiors, or ensuring chrome and carbon fiber components remain scratch-free, requires high-quality products and professional care, which adds another layer of expense beyond mechanical servicing. And as vehicles age, the challenge grows exponentially, as older luxury cars often demand even more specialized knowledge, parts, and labor, especially for models that are no longer in production or whose technology has become obsolete, which forces owners to rely on third-party specialists or pay premium fees for rare components. Insurance is another hidden maintenance-related cost that ties into the overall financial burden of luxury cars, as high repair costs translate to higher insurance premiums, particularly because luxury vehicles have higher replacement values and costlier repairs after accidents, so even minor collisions can lead to exorbitant repair bills, sometimes exceeding the value of the car itself. And luxury manufacturers often integrate unique software systems and